Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna go through the things that I got rid of in the month of October. Yes, I know this is a little behind, but you know what? This is when you're getting it. But yeah, so I've been on this decluttering kick, and these are the things that I got rid of in the month of October.
Sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts, so then we take a ride wherever. I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, always.
Welcome back. I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, please hit that like button below, subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will talk to you guys in my next decluttering video or another video that I decide I want to put up any other time. Okay, goodbye. Hey, welcome back. How are you? Hey, did you know that I've made other videos? Right here. Do it. Do it.